Infinite Nature is actually a square, except for their model. They have a larger model that can do that. That I think what they do is that one I think they do is they stretch it afterwards. So you take a 4-3 and make it 6-9, 16-9. But the other thing I think that they do, which is part of that came out of this model, um, which are like infinitely generating models. So they'll just like pan the image to the. It basically just keep panning the image, and then you keep creating it as it goes. And so infinite nature works like in that way too. I mean, it can, when you change the pen, you're basically doing that same thing, but in the 3D world. There is a accessible infinite nature collab out there that I've used that I was doing with like I tried with some weird things. Um, I mean, you can like if you can kind of play with it, and this is the GUI. It's been trained on it's trained on drone images, right? So I can just hit play, and it's gonna go through render by render, and then what I could do is I can actually change the camera. And so while I control it, it's changing the camera angle and then generating the image with given the same intrinsic properties of. That's why the like the landscape stays the same. I mean, you might not want that for certain pieces of art. Um, so I can also like, yeah, there are 3 different kinds of images that they loaded. But what's fun about this is that you can actually do like your own images. There's not much you can do to change the model, I would say. So that's the issue. Like, it's going to still generate landscape images no matter what I send it. So like Dune, Jodorowsky had the original Dune, right, which had the longest imagined opening scene, which is like this infinitely long zoom. So I always try to use that one for this for some reason. Okay, loads the image. There, okay. Um, so I mean, it will start to now generate the rocks into a landscape, but like I can restart it. I can try to like reorganize the image. I can start to step through it to see if I can. So I mean, you can play with it.